What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel The Indian Algo। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ लाइव एग्जीक्यूशंस फॉर निफ्टी। और आज मैंने प्रॉफिट किया है अराउंड 1878 का, जो कि काफी छोटा है आपके लिए क्योंकि आप ऑप्शन बाइंग पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हो। यहाँ पे मैं करता हूँ सिंथेटिक फ्यूचर्स, जो कि ऑप्शन सेलिंग और ऑप्शन बाइंग का एक क्या बोलते हैं, एक बास्केट ऑर्डर में क्रिएट करता हूँ। उस वजह से मुझे कोई डी के एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है एंड इट वर्क्स लाइक अ फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ओनली। अगर आप डैशबोर्ड पे जाओगे तो मेरा कैपिटल है यहाँ पे 3 लाख रुपए। उस 3 लाख रुपए से मैं ट्रेडिंग कर रहा हूँ। उस हिसाब से मैंने आज का 0.5% कमा लिया, जो कि मैं काफी खुश हूँ उस चीज को लेके। लेकिन इन्हीं चीजों को पाइल अप करके आप चीजें आगे देखते जाओगे कि ये प्रॉफिट्स बड़े होते रहते हैं। तो मैं आपको 5,000 का प्रॉफिट भी दिखाऊंगा, 1,500 का भी दिखाऊंगा, 2,000 का भी दिखाऊंगा। लेकिन क्या आप इस 1,500 को लेके घर जाने वाले हो आज या नहीं, वो फैक्ट मैटर करता है। अगर आप, मैं अभी पूरा दिन बचा हुआ है, अभी आप टाइम देखो 10:14 हो रहा है। मैंने अपनी ट्रेड यहाँ पे क्लोज कर दी। अगर मैं अभी भी कोशिश करूंगा ट्रेड करने के लिए तो वेरी हाई चांसेस है ये 1800 में वापस दे के आ जाओ। लेकिन मुझे ये घर लेके जाने, आज के दिन मुझे ये घर लेके जाने, आज मंडे है, मैं वो लॉस लेके नहीं जाना चाहता। ऑलराइट गाइस, सो लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो। लेकिन वीडियो पे जाने से पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए और आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो गो अहेड, क्लिक ऑन द लाइक बटन, क्लिक ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन, लेट मी नो कि आपको ये वीडियोस पसंद आ रही है एंड आई विल पुट मोर ऑफ सच वीडियोस फॉर यू। लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो गाइस। Doesn't look like it's coming, so I'm taking this into consideration. Okay, that's sad. I need to see a quick bounce up from here. If there's no quick bounce, I will be collapsing this. It could be a little late into this. I wanted this to really show some support, so we're aiming for that support. So I want to see it run for this. At least these highs are to be taken out. And even here in GIFT Nifty, that new week, the volume imbalance needs to be run for. That's an important criteria. Let's see if it's trying to drop down hard into this fair value gap. I will collapse this trade. It can obviously drop down and then start shooting up, but I wish to see it just leave from this area right away. I want this to be quicker, even quicker from here. I want this to be even quicker. Obviously, it can. Okay, so back to break even. That was a very small spike. Very small spike. Probably just 10 points up from there. I want to see quicker spikes from here onwards. If it can give that to me, there's a very high chance that we can end up seeing something good. It's not there yet, but I would like to see it run. Hmm. What I feel can take place is it wants to come down into this once again, and that will be a little concerning. I want to see this 5 minute time frame candlestick not waste enough time here. That's going to be a a little problematic because then it will create a fair value gap and then things can turn around a bit. So I want to see it just start pushing up continuously, or else I should just cut off the trade. That's what I'm trying to understand here. Mm. Yes, looks like it just wants to drop down a bit into this new week opening gap. The liquidity is too good, but the moves are not there, so I'll have to be very cautious here. It could be a fake move to really just go above and just start dropping down. That can happen very easily. That can happen. You can see, need to see this support quickly. Hmm. Looks like it just wants to continue to go lower. It closed inside. I did not want you to see that. However, we have a fair value gap right after this. As this candle closes, we'll get a fair value gap right away. So let's just see if there's anything that fair value can give us to see. Could have done better in terms of executions. I want to see it very quickly just maybe tap into this fair value gap and shoot up. I don't want to see this waste time here. Okay. Mm. That's where things can go a little wrong. A little wrong here. Definitely can go a little wrong. Trying to stay, it's below the new week opening gap, and hence I don't want to develop unnecessary possibilities that it can go back up. But fine. If it tries to go back up, I'll re-enter the trade. That's completely fine to me. We can do that. For now, it has a possibility that it just wants to drop down all the way. So I don't want to risk that. See, it's just dropping down. The way it just went down here just convinced me that, okay, it's not really going up easily. So you can see I took a loss, and that's fine. Now let's just watch if I'm able to turn this loss around and can we really change things up and can we really just continue to push up in our favor. Expectation is to see this volume imbalance on the weekly time frame. Liquidity. There's a lot of buy side liquidity there. This is fine. The loss is completely fine. Are we just going to drop down? It can happen. We just start dropping down all the way. So I have to be a little cautious here, trying to understand what the markets are really wanting us to do. Let's see if this can act as an inversion or not. We have this 5-minute FEG. So I'll just use different. I would like to see this 5 minute FPG really support the prices along with this inversion FPG. That's where a good long trade can be taken into consideration once again. Plan into this once again. Things look a little bearish, but the way we went right above the inversion. This is a weekly time frame inversion FPG. I want to see this 5 minute FPG really support the prices. That's when I can think of considering a continuation higher. As you can see, it's just shooting up back again. I would like to see this continue. All right, let's go for it. So my entry is into this candlestick. If you ask about my stop loss, it's going to be right here. I'm going to re-enter more trades here. Just short of did not give me an opportunity to add more to that here. It's continuously going up. I would like to see it run for this. I may not get the entire of the move, like the okay, fine. So now the stop loss trails to this level. Settings. I don't want to see that. So let's see. We're back to break even. It did not take much time. I quickly exited the trade and I re-entered when it felt like. It's all good there. I'd like to see what the price can do using this fair value gap. And it should not try to break below it. And if it wants to go, I will try to close the day trade somewhere here. But if you see this area, there's a little void right there. I'm not too sure if we're going there, but if the market really decides to shoot up, 24,500 can be seen. So I'm just being very cautious here. See, I want to see the price continue to stay above this 5 minute FEG. It should allow the price to stay above it. Should really allow the price to stay above it. That's my major expectation today. 500 FPG is there. I'm not. I just don't want to mean lines on this. So inversion plus 5 minute FPG. So this is where the price dropped down into. And now once again we have dropped down in here. If the price starts supporting this area, this level right here, I will add more quantities to this trade. Let's see. I'll add more quantities to this trade if Nifty can really support this. Let's just watch. I don't mind seeing this drop down and completely here, but I want to see its support. If the price can support it, good. We'll take that into consideration. I want to see its support and start pushing up, or else I have a fixed stop loss and I will close the trade there. Because then I'm incorrect about the bias. Okay, this shouldn't really do this. It should just start pushing up. Because then this is not indicating that it has enough strength, right? So I want to see it start shooting up from here. That's where I would want to add another position into the string, something like this. Yes, let's go for it. If I have 150 points in to this, free my stop loss here. I'll just remove this level and I will put my stop loss in here. Okay, let's see. Now 150 points, 1000. Okay, there is a spike. I like the spike. I want to see this continue a little bit, at least above this high. Yeah. It should at least take out these highs, right? That's a very nice objective that I can keep. Small confidence. Okay. It's a big number for us to see. I feel we can continue to run for this volume imbalance. So I'm majorly looking for that. Unfortunately, if the price turns around, it's fine. We'll have to just, we'll then just collapse the trade. Okay. So the 5 minute FVG, my stop loss just gets straight to the, I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this turnaround like this. There's a very high chance we should really go for an up move, but the way this just turned around, I would really like to see it give me a quicker run higher. For now, my stop loss is at the 5 minute FVG low. This has a very good chance of running for this weekly volume imbalance. So I would like to wait for it actually. There's no point in really trying to exit it right away. If the price takes its own time, I cannot really do anything in that case. Yes, managed it good, but I haven't seen enough spikes, enough moves. There should be a smooth run above this high at least. I should not be wasting any much more time here. Okay, that's bad. The spike is not there, the move is not there. It can drop down, unfortunately, once again and then try to go up. That's the thing. So, unfortunately, we'll have to be a little cautious here. We can still expect the markets to spike up and run for those highs right there. That's what I would like to see. Honestly, there's no reason to exit the trade right now. We could not even get a opportunity to take a partial. So in this case, we'll have to really just wait and watch. There's a very good chance that the prices will turn around in our favor still. So let's just watch. Till the time we are above this new week opening gap, I would like to stay in this trade. I would like to still hold on to it. We're very close to this new week opening gap. I would like to see the price go for it, but looks like it's going to give me a deep retracement once again, and that's where things would be a little disappointing, and I'll have to be cautious here. Once again, just took out the highs, but no continuation higher. I would like to see a continuation up for me to really get out of this trade or try to like hold on to it better for better reasons. I would like to see something like that. I should not start using this as an inversion. I want to use this as a reclaimed FVG. If the price can really give that to me, it's a good opportunity for me to try and hold on to this. It's trying to give that inversion FVG vibe. So these things are little not too good for us. We have to be cautious there. We have to be a little cautious there. It's likely to turn around now. Yes, let's see if we can continue to stay above the new week opening gap is still good. Risky bet, but because I do not have an objective that I was looking for, so it is against my uh, initial pre-analysis. This is the volume imbalance that I'm aiming for. The price has to really go for it very quickly if it wants to go up now. Should not be wasting much more time there. I want to see this void, very specifically, this void should start supporting prices to go up. That's where things will give me some confidence for now. Mm, It just looks very weak. The way this has been going up and down just looks weak. However, we'll have to stay into this for some time until we see things go against us or in our favor. We have this fair value gap. I mean, this very specific area. I wanted this to break, but it is giving that inversion FPG vibe or inversion void vibe. So I want to see it just go above it, trail above it, trade above it. If it can do that, it's good. If not, I'll have to collapse the trade. It can tap into this volume imbalance and still go higher. I don't mind seeing that. It has slowed down a lot, and mm, okay, it's not too good. To keep trying to drop down a lot there. If you yeah, that volume imbalance right there, that is supposed to be a last hope. I want to see it trade above this void. Should go above it. If it can go above it, and then try to just continue, stay above the new week opening gap. Only then it would be perfectly fine. It's taking a very tough time to break above it. It should have really just went above it strongly right now. So I'm still waiting for that. It has a higher chance that it will do that because we have this right here open and the price has all the chances of running for it. Mhm. I'm seeing that right now. All right. Okay, that was very quick. I feel this time we'll see some spikes that should lead to that push, right? Yes. Okay, there's not enough spikes yet. So I'll just exit 75 here and I'll exit 75 here. Made a mistake. I made a mistake there. I'll exit 75 here. So my position is now a little safe. Let's see. I could have already exited the trade. Honestly, I should have. I may. I could have exited the trade there, but let's see. Not this. We have this right here. This fair value gap. The thing is, it has taken out one, two, three highs, and that's where it's making it tough for me to decide now. I have to take a decision. And right now, my stop loss is going to be trailed from here till here. I don't want to see the price drop down again. If the price fails now, it fails, and we'll probably get nothing in this case, but fine. So my stop loss has been trailed to the 50% of the fair value gap. That's it. That's what I'll be looking at right now. It's like taking out this high. So it's like a three drive pattern by ICT. And that's not good. It can drop down all the way. All right, so I don't like the number that I'm seeing, so I'll collapse the trade. It's a decent move, decent profit. We could have closed above 4,500. I don't know why I waited for it, but yes, usually I it has to be done that way. So I'm still taking a little bit portion home, which is fine. That's like 0.5 percentage. It can still go up, but I'm not interested because of the three drive pattern that it has created. So whatever we are getting today, it's completely fine, completely good. And in our control, the losses in our control. We could have booked better. We could have booked better. We could have booked around 2,000 or we could have booked around 4,000 or 3,000. But it's completely fine because in the hope that the price has to go up there, we have to see these things. We have to do these things because the next time when it's an opportunity, that is definitely going to give us, let's say, 5,000, 6, 7 to 8, or maybe 10,000. All right, guys. So I'll end this here. Thanks so much. Bye.